9.4, number 45. Find the sum of the telescoping series. So these ones, you have to rewrite them using partial fractions. So that's kind of a sub-problem over here. So 4 over 4n minus 3 times 4n plus 1. We'll do a over one of the factors on the bottom and b over the other one. And then you can multiply both sides of the equation by this bottom. So 4n minus 3 times 4n plus 1. So distribute that to all three terms here. So this first one, this is going to disappear with that. So it's going to be 4 equals a. And these 4n minus 3 is going to cross off. So it'll just be a times 4n plus 1 plus b times, well, these are going to cross off, times 4n minus 3. Alright, so 4 equals 4 an plus a plus 4bn minus 3b. Alright, so we'll need two equations here for the n's and just the numbers. So how many n's do we have on the left side here? We don't have any, so it's 0 equals 4a plus 4b as far as the n's. And then numbers are constants. I have 4 on the left and a minus 3b. So I have a system of two equations that I can solve. Let's see, you could plug it into a matrix and do it. I think I'll just multiply the bottom equation by -4. The top is still the same. The bottom, -16 equals -4a plus 12b. -16 equals 16b, so b is -1. And if I plug -1 here, you get -4. So add it, and I get 4 equals 4a, so a equals 1. So I have a is 1, and b is -1. A is 1, b is -1. So this becomes a is 1, so 1 over 4n minus 3. B is -1, so minus 1 over 4n plus 1. So we have rewritten it using partial fraction decomposition. Alright, so this is a telescoping series. So we're going to plug 1 in and see what we get. So if I plug in 1 for n, I get 1 over 1, so 1 minus 1/5. Okay, that's my first term. That's when n equals 1. So when n is 2, 1 over 8 minus 3, so 1/5 minus 1/9. Okay, so when n is 3, I get 1/9 minus 1/13, and we can keep going. 1/13 minus 1/17. Okay, so we can see a pattern. It's telescoping because there are terms that are going to undo each other. Those are gone, those are gone, those are gone. So ultimately, when we talk about, oh, we could do it when n is infinity. Well, it's still going to be 0 minus 0. So basically you're going to get, well, you're going to get 1 minus, this is always going to be, we're going to get 1, and this is still going to be 4n plus 1, but n is going to infinity. This 1 comes from this guy right here. The last term, as n goes to infinity, well, that's just going to go to 0. So our answer is 1.